Located just a minute away from a 5-star golf course, this exclusive development of superior homes is set in a beautiful green area within walking distance to a natural beach cove. Combining breathtaking views, exceptional design and build quality with the highest level of interior specifications, these exclusive half-plan and ready-built villas offer the perfect combination of luxury refinement. The villas have 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and the total inside area comes to 157 square meters. The total area, including terraces, comes to 259 square meters. The villas include fully fitted premium kitchen with granite worktop, fireplace, fully wardrobes to all bedrooms, high-quality double-glazed windows and patio doors, high building standards with heat insulation and tamp-proof cores, solar panels for water heating, marble flooring and stairs, tall ceilings and glass walls, and the swimming pool is optional for an extra £26,000. Would you like to learn more information about these villas? To contact Sparkle Homes Estates.